Hello everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to integrate a cookie banner in your Framer website. If you live in Europe, you know that a cookie banner is mandatory by law. If you don't live in Europe but still operate in European countries, again, it's the same thing for you as well. And if they find you that you don't have a cookie banner, they can fine you and the fines can be really huge sometimes. So let's avoid this and let's get started. All you have to do is go to Insert and look up for cookie banner. Now, if you don't have extra analytics, if you don't track users, I don't know, with some extra tools, then this cookie banner is gonna be enough. Framer has already created a page, a policy page for cookies, and so you don't have to create one by yourself. Therefore, I am gonna use this cookie banner provided by Framer and I'm not gonna modify it in any way. So on your right side, you can change a lot of stuff like layout, content, maybe the settings. Also, you can connect to Google Analytics, but I don't want to do any of this. My website is very simple. I don't have extra cookies that I use, so therefore I'm gonna use their banner. Let's press Ctrl X and I will go in my footer and paste it in here. So in here you need to click on no. If it's on yes, then you will see all the time this banner and I don't think you want to see that. Also, if you hand over a website to your client and you don't want your client to see this banner right here. Therefore, I will click on no. And every time someone clicks on this link right here, the cookie banner is gonna show up. Now I will publish this. Let's open my website. And as you can see, my cookie banner is right here. Click on accept and now let's visit my website once again. I don't see any cookie banner anymore and it is because I accepted before, so therefore it's no need to show again. I guess it's gonna show up again after a week or so, or maybe after a month. It depends on how long the cookies have been stored. That is it guys, thank you very much for watching this video, see you next time.